So, Andrea, let's segue to another controversial matter, the resignation of the Director of Elections. Now, that was also a talking point with the Prime Minister today. What did he have to say?
Well, Doreen, you recall that Orrit Fisher stated in a letter after his resignation that there was growing political influence affecting the Electoral Office of Jamaica. And there have also been reports that a JLP representative on the Electoral Commission of Jamaica was disrespectful to Mr. Fisher. In light of those allegations, the issue was put to the Prime Minister. Was Mr. Fisher pressured to resign?
Well, I know of no political pressure being applied to Mr. Fisher. Certainly none coming from my office or my cabinet. I'm not saying that what he says is untrue, but I have no knowledge or proof.
Now, even though the Prime Minister says he has no proof, Doreen, he did point out that the allegations are serious and steps are being taken to address them.
I believe that because of the sensitive nature of the issue, there should be some dialogue between myself and the leader of the opposition, probably the chairman of the ECJ and the Governor General, to just ensure that there is no compromise of the integrity and impartiality of that commission. So I think we will be having a meeting shortly to ensure that these matters can be resolved, and and to look to see whether or not there is any merit in the allegations made by the former director.
We await the outcome of those discussions. Doreen?
Thank you very much, Andrea.